Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, I'm going to take a look at just a stunning 1967 Chevrolet. This is a true 138 Chevelle Super Sport car. Super cool car, guys. I've actually known this car for probably over 20 years. I sold this car a long time ago. Matter of fact, when I tried to research it in our database, I couldn't even find it the first time we sold it, but I remembered the car. Matter of fact, it's kind of a funny story. Like I say, I sold this car, I'm going to say it was about 20 years ago I sold it to a guy. He took this car, had it for a while, and then it's about, I know the restoration is 10 years, it was done 10 years ago. He took this car, took it into a shop, and had the car completely restored. Well, I remember the bill being $50,000, and matter of fact, I've got that all in my notes when we got it back. But he spent 50 grand restoring this car. Of course, a lot of people, even about 10 years ago, that was a whole lot of money. Now it's actually cheap for a restoration. But man, it just kind of freaked him out, and he ended up calling my dad. My dad was still alive at that time, and my dad bought the car. But wicked awesome car. Cool story behind that. A guy that owns a shop down the street, he's got his own little repair facility. He called me to see if I was interested in a Bronco that a buddy of his had for sale that he had in his shop. I walk in, and this car's sitting here. So of course I say, well, is this Chevelle for sale? And he says, it's funny you say that. This car's kind of been sitting in the guy's shop for a couple years, and he's decided to sell it. So I said, man, I'll buy this car. I do a little research on the VIN, and this is the car I sold to him 10 years ago. But awesome car. Again, original 138 Super Sport car, factory Tuxedo black car with factory red interior. The resto's 10 years old. It doesn't look like it's got 200 miles on it since the restoration was done. Car is gorgeous. I mean, just stunning. Love the car. If you've known me, you know this is my favorite color combination. I love black with red interior. And like I say, just a beautiful, beautiful car. Paint's gorgeous, nice and flat. Again, the car was all redone 10 years ago. It has a pounded 67, real 67, 427, I think it's L72, I think that's what it is. L72, big block in it, Muncie 4-speed, 12-bolt, 355 limited slip rear end. And like I say, man, it is beautiful. If you want to nitpick, you can nitpick these are probably original, and you can see they kind of show a little wear. Love this car, man. Look how nice and flat that thing is down the sides. And I'll tell you, there's no bubbles in it anywhere, and the paint's been on this car for 10 years. Brand new 18 and 20 inch Foose wheels, ZR rated rubber all the way around it. You can see it's got the little bumperettes. Look how flat that thing is, man. Gorgeous paint. I'll tell you what, this is a pretty car, guys. Of course, 67 Chevelles are just as hot as can be. It's got brand new front disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. It does have the 427 engine, or call outs on the fender there. Look at that car, man. Stunning. Again, 67 date coated 427 cubic inch engine. Again, a real 427. It's not a 454 with a 396 crank, which is what a lot of people, that's actually 427. This is not. This is a real 427 engine. I'll make sure I get the casting number in there for you. You can see it's got an Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got big tube headers. It's manual steering. It does have power front disc brakes. It has an MSD box on it with a Pro Billet distributor. Muncie 4-speed behind it. I wish I could tell you how many miles on it. The guy really didn't know. When I got it 10 years ago, it had no miles on it. Literally, this guy picked it up from the restoration shop and we bought it. It's got some aftermarket aluminum pulleys on it. But I'll tell you what, it doesn't look like this guy's put many miles on this car at all. And like I say, the guy at the little shop down there, he said it, but I mean, this car had an inch of dust on it when I looked at it. Look how slick that thing is, man. Beautiful car. Love it. A-pillar chrome's nice. I noticed a little inside there, but the outside's pretty dang nice. New mirrors, new door handles, new door rubbers. I can't remember the name of the shop that did this for this guy. And he started with a nice car. He just thought he could restore a car for 10 grand. Bucket seats, console. I love the factory red interior. Hurst shifter. He's wired some aftermarket speakers in there. Love the blinker tach. 96,368 on the odometer. That is the original miles to the car. It's got some aftermarket Sun Pro gauges. Even the clock in there works. I think it's X-Plate. 3-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear. Yeah, this is a nice car, guys. I was just tickled when I got this thing bought. Again, all spackle coated in the trunk. If I remember right, I think they put lower quarters on it, and that was it when it was originally restored about 20 years ago. Jack was spare. Fit and finish is very nice on the car. Again, car's real nice underneath. Got some pictures of the bottom. I'll make sure those get posted. Really nice car, man. Pretty car. That's that little wire for the speakers he's got in the back here. Seats are nice. They were all redone. Like I say, 10 years ago, this car was completely redone. And he started with a really nice car. Original owner's manuals in there. Of course, got the aftermarket audio sounds, radio. Console's nice. A little console light works in there. Go ahead, Jordan. Water spot. Lunati camshaft. And it does run, boys. That's a wicked bad car right there, man. Love it. All the original T3 headlights are still in it. Parking brake, Jordan, does that work? Yeah. Pretty cool. Love that. Fuel gauge works. All your aftermarket gauges work. Check your parking brake real quick. Parking brake works, guys. Man, it's a nice car, man. Look how flat that thing is. Like I say, even the little clock in there works. All your gauges work. Good oil pressure. Blower motor, Jordy? Yep. Okay. Blower motor does work nice. Doors open and close nice. Yeah, we got one blinker out up front. We'll check that. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button here at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Boy, that is a pretty son of a gun, man. Somebody have a great day, guys.